Hi everyone, welcome to this video in which I will discuss about branch-wise cutoff of 10 colleges at lower rank in WBJE. So if you have lower rank in WBJE 2020, then don't worry, you will get these 10 best colleges where you can get the good education as well as good placement. I will discuss the both cutoff, that is WBJE and JEE main cutoff. So watch this video till the end to get the complete information related to branch wise cutoff of these 10 colleges, and do share this video to your friends so that they can also get the information related to this 10 colleges. Before starting this video, I would like to introduce my channel information and educational videos where you can find all you need to know about a particular college. So do subscribe this channel to get such information in future also. Let us start with the number 10 college, that is West Bengal College of Engineering and Technology. Here is the WBJE cutoff for this college. For computer science engineering, the cutoff goes to almost 78,000. For mechanical engineering, the cutoff goes to 80,000. And for civil engineering, the cutoff goes to 72,000. For ECE, the cutoff goes to 70,000. And for IT, the cutoff goes to 77,000. For triple E, the cutoff goes to 75,000, and for electrical engineering the cutoff goes to 74,000. Now talk about the JEE main cutoff for this college. For CSE the cutoff goes to 2,80,000. For civil engineering the cutoff goes to 8,94,000, and for mechanical engineering the cutoff goes to 7,89,000, and for ECE the cutoff goes to 9,05,000. For IT the cutoff goes to 9,04,000, and for triple E the cutoff goes to 7,44,000. So if you get opportunity to get admission in this college, go for it. Let's talk about the next college, that is the Bengal Institute of Technology. Here is the WBJE cutoff for this college. For biotechnology, the cutoff goes to 60,000. For information technology, the cutoff goes to almost 80,000. And for CSE, the cutoff goes to 53,000. And for ECE, the cutoff goes to 73,000. All the cutoff is till the third round of the WBJE counseling. Now talk about the JEE main cutoff for this college. The cutoff for biotechnology goes to 1,77,000. For CSE cutoff is 2,10,000. For ECE the cutoff is 5,20,000, and for IT the cutoff is 4,20,000. This is also a good college, you can get admission in this college. Now let's talk about the number 8 college, that is Asansol Engineering College. Here is the WBJE cutoff for this college. The computer science engineering cutoff goes to 25,000, and for electrical engineering the cutoff goes to 80,000. For ECE the cutoff goes to 60,000, and for mechanical engineering the cutoff goes to 67,000, and for civil engineering the cutoff is 75,000, and for applied electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff is almost 80,000. For information and technology the cutoff is 46,000. Now talk about the JEE main cutoff for this college. The computer science cutoff goes to 1,76,000. For mechanical engineering the cutoff is 10,07,000, and for ECE the cutoff is 2,76,000, and for civil engineering the cutoff is 5,04,000, and for IT the cutoff is 3,15,000. For electrical engineering the cutoff goes to 4,95,000, and for applied electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff goes to 7 lakh. This is also a good college, you should choose this college if you get opportunity. Next is BC Roy Durgapur. It is a very good college for particularly IT and CSE. For CSE and IT, the college gave 100% placement. Now talk about the WJE cutoff for this college. The cutoff for CSE goes to 28,000. For ECE, the cutoff goes to 80,000. For civil engineering, the cutoff is 80,000. For electrical engineering, the cutoff is 78,000. And for IT, the cutoff is 48,000. For mechanical engineering, the cutoff goes to almost 77,000. And for applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, the cutoff is 80,000. Now talk about the JEE main cutoff for this college. For CSE, the cutoff is 1,68,000. For mechanical engineering, the cutoff is 77 lakh for 48,000. And for civil engineering, the cutoff goes to 9,81,000. For electrical engineering, the cutoff goes to 7,51,000. And for ECE, the cutoff is 4,50,000. And for information technology, the cutoff is almost 4 lakh. And for applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, the cutoff is 9,70,000. Now talk about the number 6 college, that is MCKB Institute of Engineering. The WBJ cutoff for electrical engineering goes to 76,000. For computer science engineering, the cutoff is 25,000. For IT, the cutoff is 38,000. And for ECE, the cutoff is 50,000. And for mechanical engineering, the cutoff is 78,000. For automobile engineering, the cutoff is 80,000. Now talk about the JEE main cutoff for this college. For electrical engineering, the cutoff goes to 3,70,000. For computer science engineering, the cutoff goes to 1,94,000. And for automobile engineering, the cutoff goes to 7,42,000. And for ECE, the cutoff goes to 2,14,000. For IT, cutoff is 3,10,000. And for mechanical engineering, the cutoff goes to almost 4 lakh. This is another good college. If you get opportunity to got admission in this college, you can choose this college. Now talk about the number 5 college, that is University of Engineering and Management. This college only accept WBJ. You can't get admission in this college based on your JEE main rank. So the electrical engineering cutoff goes to 77,000. And for computer science engineering, the cutoff is 87,000. For ECE, the cutoff is 73,000. And for EEE, the cutoff is 35,000 approximately. And now talk about the number 4 college, that is Nirula Institute of Technology. This college is very good for IT, CSE and ECE branch, and the core branch is also good, but the placement for core branch is not up to the mark. Now talk about the WJ cutoff for this college. For computer science engineering, the cutoff goes to 27,000. For ECE, the cutoff goes to 55,000 almost. And for IT, the cutoff is 37,000. For civil engineering, the cutoff goes to 65,000. And for electrical engineering, the cutoff is 77,000. And for mechanical engineering, the cutoff is 77,000. And for applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, the cutoff goes to 60,000. Now talk about the JEE main cutoff for this college. For CSE, the cutoff is 1,22,000. For ECE, the cutoff is 3,12,000. And for electrical engineering, the cutoff goes to 4,40,000. For mechanical engineering, the cutoff is 4,45,000. And for IT, the cutoff goes to 2,75,000. For civil engineering, the cutoff goes to 10,56,000. For electronics and instrumentation engineering, the cutoff goes to 4,10,000. So choose this college. If you get opportunity, you will get good education as well as the good placement. Next is number 3 college, that is Future Institute of Engineering and Management. The WIPG cutoff for this college is, for CSE the cutoff goes to 26,000, for ECE the cutoff is 57,000, and for IT the cutoff is almost 35,000. For mechanical engineering the cutoff goes to 76,000, and for electrical engineering the cutoff goes to 77,000, and for electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff goes to almost 79,000. Now talk about the JEE Main cutoff for this college. For ECE the cutoff goes to 3,27,000. For computer science the cutoff goes to 174,000, and for electronics and instrumentation engineering the cutoff goes to 8 lakh, and for mechanical engineering the cutoff goes to 4,45,000, and for information technology the cutoff goes to almost 3 lakh, and for electrical engineering the cutoff is 9,62,000. Now talk about the number 2 college, that is the BP Poddar Institute of Technology. Here is the WBJE cutoff for this college. The computer science engineering cutoff goes to 15,631. For ECE the cutoff goes to 27,000. For electrical engineering the cutoff goes to 40,000. For IT the cutoff goes to 23,000. Talk about the JEE Main cutoff. The CSE cutoff goes to 92,000. For electrical engineering cutoff goes to 1,80,000, and for ECE the cutoff goes to 1,84,000. For IT the cutoff goes to 1,86,000. This is another a very good college. If you get the branch like computer science, ECE or IT, you should choose this college. This provide a very good education as well as the good placement record. Now talk about the number 1 college, that is St. Thomas College of Engineering and Technology. The WBJE cutoff for ECE branch goes to almost 15,000, and for computer science engineering the cutoff goes to 9,000. For IT the cutoff goes to 15,000. For electrical engineering the cutoff goes to 25,000. For JEE Main the computer science engineering cutoff goes to 63,000. For IT the cutoff goes to 1,06,000. For electrical engineering the cutoff goes to 1,27,000, and for ECE the cutoff is almost 1 lakh. This is another a very good college. If you get opportunity to got admission in this college, you should go for it. That's it about the top 10 college that you can get at lower rank in JEE Main 2020. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching for more updates, and do share and subscribe. Thanks.